Haitian organic, Haitian organic, Haitian organic, Haitian organic 1804, Haitian organic experience, all of the good things that is happening right now. I wanted to say something in regards to the recent arrest. This arrest is by immigration, of Dimitri Vob. One thing that you all should know, there's been a lot of sanctions on members of the elite in Haiti. And, of course, you're innocent until proven guilty. But at the same time, a lot of these guys have been laundering money, trafficking drugs, weapons, organ trafficking, sex trafficking. I mean, there's been a lot of things going on. And there's one thing I wanted to say in regards to the banking sector. I believe the banking sector might be next. You have members of Sociébank, Unibank, Banque Nationale. You have people in all parts of the banking sector in Haiti who, there's a lot of money laundering going on. Do you know, when we talk about kidnappings and stuff like that, one of the reasons the kidnapping was so crazy during the beginning was because members of the elites, the oligarchs, they were kidnapping, other families in the same sector. I mean, you guys remember what happened with Clifford Blunt and the Moscoso kids, right? So, once they know how much money you have in your bank accounts, then they set you up, get you robbed, this and that. Now, for the past couple of years, after the president's assassination, the economy has been in a pause. Everyone's closed their businesses, nothing's going on, but the banks are still running. They're still running in all 10 departments. There's been a lot of sanctions on members of the elite inside the banking sector, like Carl Brown and all of these other people. So they're going to arrest a lot of people, man. There's going to be a really, really, really big shakeup going on. And they're going to remove this economic oligarchs that's been in place really ever since the fall of the Duvalier regime back in the mid-'80s. So in the past 40 years, we've been kind of hijacked by this group who, for the most part, many of them are not even Haitian. I mean, they were born in Haiti, they're Haitian, but what I mean is a lot of them, their families have been in the country for the past 100 or 120 years. And it's time for a shakeup. A lot of these people were involved in assassinating President Jovenel Moise. And things is about to get shaken up, man. So, you guys tell me what you think. What do you think is next? Do you think it's a good thing that they're going to change the scene, change the makeup of the business elites that we have in Haiti? Huh? Let's not forget about the Agenda 2030 that has Haiti on top of its list. A lot of changes coming up. And let's not forget about King Charles and the foundation, who were going to do a lot of changes in fixing Port-au-Prince, metropolitan area, downtown. So just keep your eyes open, see what's next for Haiti. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Wanted to just post this up on the YouTube, and hopefully the information was informative. Haitian organic, Haitian organic, Haitian organic, Haitian organic experience, Haitian organic 1804. You guys have a blessed night.